Hi, I'm Dwayne with American Dawn. American Dawn is the global leader in reusable textile solutions, manufacturing and distributing uniforms and linens for the healthcare, hospitality, food service, and industrial industries. We're a family-run company built on quality, innovation, and lasting partnerships. You're watching our educational series. Let's get into it. In hospitality and food service, cleanliness is everything. From hotel rooms and lobbies to restaurant dining areas and bars, spotless surfaces are what guests remember. That's why so many hotels, restaurants, and resorts are moving from cotton to microfiber towels. Microfiber delivers a higher level of clean, faster results, and a much longer product life compared to cotton or cotton blends, making it a smarter choice for both housekeeping teams and laundries. And that's what we're here to talk about, helping laundries understand what makes microfiber different and how it can make a real impact for your customers in food service and hospitality. At ADI, our microfiber is built for commercial performance. Every towel is engineered with precision split fibers, stronger stitching, and controlled weaves that deliver a better clean and a longer life. That means fewer reorders, lower laundry costs, and a consistent, better look across every property. In our agenda today, we'll cover what microfiber is and how it works, how it performs in hotels, restaurants, and laundries, and why ADI microfiber is the best choice for hospitality and food service. Microfiber is made from a blend of polyester and polyamide, or nylon. Each fiber is split into microscopic strands much finer than a human hair, which creates millions of tiny hooks that grab dirt, grease, and bacteria instead of just pushing it around. The result is a towel that can remove up to 99% of bacteria with just water, compared to about 30% with cotton. The tighter weave and higher GSM, or grams per square meter, gives it better absorbency, faster drying, and a longer product life. At ADI, our microfiber is engineered with controlled denier, meaning consistent fiber thickness and uniform splitting. This ensures every towel performs the same way every time. Now let's take a look at some of the ADI microfiber products and talk through why they perform better. Microfiber cloths. These are your go-to for general cleaning, perfect for glass, stainless steel, and surfaces throughout the hotel and restaurants. Our cloths are built with a heavier GSM than most of them on the market today, around 250 GSM, giving you more absorbency and durability. They're lint-free, streak-free, and color-coded for task separation. This means fewer cross-contamination risks, longer life in the laundry, and faster cleaning for housekeeping and food service teams. Our dry mops. ADI's microfiber dry mops are designed to trap dust and debris before it becomes a problem. The split fibers grab and hold the fine particles, things like hair, lint, and dust, instead of just sweeping them around. They cover more surface area with each pass, which means faster cleaning and fewer labor hours. And because they can be laundered hundreds of times, they offer a much lower cost per use than disposable dust mops. Our wet mops take the same cleaning power and apply it to the floors. They hold more liquid, spread it evenly, and lift soil more effectively than cotton string mops. They also dry floors faster, reducing slip hazards and downtime between service areas. With reinforced stitching using hook and loop and durable backing, ADI wet mops can withstand 1,000+ industrial washes. That's double the life of most competitor mops. That's the difference. These products aren't just made to clean better, they're made to last longer and perform consistently across every application. Let's look at how microfiber performs across different areas. For housekeeping teams, microfiber makes cleaning faster. It picks up dust, fingerprints, and smudges in a single pass, saving time on every surface. In public spaces, it keeps high-touch spots like elevators, lobbies, and glass doors spotless and polished, so guests always see a clean, welcoming space. In restaurants and bars, microfiber is perfect for polishing glassware, mirrors, and bar tops. No streaks, no lint, just a clear shine every time. In the kitchen, microfiber lifts grease and food residue better than cotton, often with less scrubbing and fewer chemicals. It's also a win for hotels and laundries. Microfiber lasts hundreds of washes longer than cotton, which means fewer replacements and lower costs over time. And again, the science backs it up. A UC Davis study found that microfiber removes 99% of bacteria with just water compared to only 30% with cotton. And one quick note, when cleaning near high heat, like stoves or grills, stick with cotton towels for safety. In closing, at the end of the day, microfiber gives hotels and restaurants a clear edge. Faster cleaning, streak-free finishes, and a better guest experience, all while lowering laundry costs and improving sustainability. But not all microfiber performs the same. ADI microfiber is made for industrial laundering, built to last, and proven to clean deeper and perform longer. That's why leading hospitality and food service brands trust ADI for cleaner results, lower costs, and stronger operations.